In the era of rapid technological and industrial advancement, industrial ceramics, as key materials, have become a driving force in innovative industrial development. Leveraging exceptional properties such as high hardness, strength, heat resistance, and corrosion resistance, they are widely applied across major industries, empowering breakthroughs and progress in multiple sectors. Since its establishment in 2008, Compomax Industrial Ceramics Company Limited has specialized in the R&D of precision ceramic materials, as well as the design, manufacturing, and sales of structural molding. With nearly 2 decades of vertical integration in the precision ceramics field, the company has become a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized, refined, unique, and innovative enterprise, holding multiple certifications including ISO and IATF, covering an area of over 20,000 square meters with a workforce of more than 200 employees. Compomax has accumulated industry-leading comprehensive capabilities. Driven by growth, Compomax has established an independent R&D center led by material science doctors from Tsinghua University, maintaining long-term collaborations with prestigious institutions like Tsinghua University, Harbin Institute of Technology, and Southwest University. By investing over 20% of its annual revenue in R&D, the company has overcome numerous material and technological barriers, filling critical industry gaps. With dozens of national patent certifications, it stands as one of the few tech enterprises capable of deep material R&D. In manufacturing, Compomax deploys a fleet of precision and high-efficiency equipment, including full injection molding and dry pressing production lines, as well as CNC machining centers for precision components. From powder R&D to blank molding, high-temperature sintering to precision machining, its experienced technical team and rigorous quality management system ensure dimensional accuracy and performance stability. Supported by streamlined production processes, every order is delivered efficiently and reliably. The company excels in producing precision ceramic components, zirconia, alumina, ZTA, silicon nitride, silicon carbide, including complex structures like non-standard and irregular parts, to fully meeting the different demand of customers. Compomax products are widely used in machinery manufacturing, chemical metallurgy, energy and environmental protection, consumer electronics, semiconductor-related fields, biomedical, aerospace, defense, and more. As a trusted supplier to numerous global enterprises, the company has earned long-term partnerships and high praise from domestic and international clients. Looking ahead, Compomax will uphold its mission, customer needs-oriented, committed to delivering exceptional ceramic material solutions for global high-end applications. Through continuous innovation, R&D, and product optimization, it aims to create greater value for customers while expanding application frontiers and contributing the technological power of industrial ceramics to societal progress.